Pete Sanders. I'm the Director of Technology and Engineering for WSI. WSI is the world leader in pressure vessel life extension. So we provide automated solutions for weld overlay and groove welding in the oil and gas industry, as well as nuclear and power. I think the most important message to take away is that there's no one-size-fits-all repair solution, right? Depending on what sort of product is going through your vessel, what how you run it, what your parameters are, and what your goals are with the asset, right? There's everything from thermal spray, which is kind of a quick fix to get you to the next turnaround, to overlay and hard facing, which are more in terms of a permanent solution for corrosion, long-term corrosion resistance and life extension. So we're working on various technologies that help to reduce the reliance on the skill of the welder. Our technologies that we're working on now, such as adaptive welding, are something that we see helping to solve that problem, right? We can take a less experienced operator and have them perform at the same high level, thus reducing the strain on the market. Probably what we see the most is coke drum repairs. Cokers are a very high value asset. It's worth a lot to the owners of those assets to keep them running and to extend the life. So the main three things that we see in terms of requests for coker repairs is bulge mitigation through structural weld overlay, skirt repairs and replacements, and then cone replacements, as a lot of owners seem to have issues with older feed designs, and as they move to bottom on heading devices and center inlets and that sort of thing, that comes with a cone replacement. But it's a very tricky weld. You usually have a lot of out of roundness of the cone weld. Fit up can be very difficult. And putting in a high quality weld is not something for the faint of heart. Looking at any innovations that can reduce our dependence on the man himself, and doing that through technology is our goal. Maria was an amazing personal manager, very attentive. She worked hard to get all of the contacts that we were looking to meet at this conference in front of us, including using the VIP space. So it was very convenient, rather than having to go chase down all of these different people. We got a lot of great, productive meetings with key customer representatives through that process.